Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Position the donor vehicle within 12 feet of the Toyota Sienna so jumper cables reach without stretching. Set both parking brakes and put transmissions in park or neutral. Confirm the Sienna uses a 12-volt battery and inspect for damage or leaks. If the battery is cracked or smoking, do not attempt to jump it. Turn off lights, radios, climate control, and ignition in both vehicles, and remove metal jewelry to prevent accidental shorts while you prepare the cables and gloves. Start by identifying the positive, plus, and negative, minus terminals on both batteries. On many Toyota Sienna models, the positive terminal is labeled and protected with a red cover. Attach the red clamp to the donor vehicle's positive terminal first, then to the Sienna's positive terminal. Attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal next, and attach the final black clamp to an unpainted chassis ground on the Sienna at least 3.5 inches away from the battery, avoiding fuel lines and moving parts. Confirm all clamps are secure and not. With clamps secure, start the donor engine and let it run at idle for 3 to 5 minutes to provide charge to the Toyota Sienna battery. If the donor is a modern vehicle, do not rev the engine aggressively. Attempt to start the Sienna. If it cranks but does not start, wait another 2 minutes and try again, avoiding long repeated attempts that could overheat the starter. Once the Sienna starts, let it run for at least 15 minutes or drive gently to recharge the battery. Then disconnect clamps in reverse order while keeping negative clamps clear of battery terminals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.